If you're experiencing CloudSave Air 2025 on your Nintendo Switch, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue. This guide will help you troubleshoot and connect your cloud saves effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your Nintendo Switch is connected to a stable internet connection. Go to System Settings, then Internet, and run a connection test to confirm your network status. Step 2. Update your Nintendo Switch. Make sure your console is running the latest software version. Go to System Settings, select System, and then Software Update to check for and install any available updates. Step 3. Verify Nintendo Switch Online subscription. Confirm that your Nintendo Switch Online subscription is active. You can check this by going to the Nintendo eShop and selecting your account information to view your subscription status. Step 4. Restart your console. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix connectivity issues. Hold down the power button for a few seconds, select power options, and then choose Restart to reboot your Nintendo Switch. Step 5. Relink your Nintendo account. If the error persists, try unlinking and then relinking your Nintendo account. Go to System Settings, select Users, choose your user profile, and then unlink your Nintendo account. After that, relink it to see if the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the CloudSave error and enjoy your games without interruption. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Nintendo support for further assistance.